Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. MotoCMS.com offers an impressive platform for building websites with ease and efficiency. They provide a comprehensive suite of tools and features designed to empower users to create stunning and functional online presences. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out, MotoCMS offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the website creation process. Their intuitive drag-and-drop functionality allows you to effortlessly customize your site's layout and design. You can choose from a wide range of pre-designed templates, covering various industries and styles, and tailor them to perfectly match your brand identity. These templates are fully responsive, ensuring your website looks great on any device, from desktops to mobile phones. Furthermore, MotoCMS offers integrated SEO tools and features, helping you optimize your site for search engines and attract more organic traffic. With powerful features for managing content, integrating e-commerce functionalities, and building blogs, MotoCMS provides a comprehensive solution for all your website needs. Their platform also boasts robust security measures, keeping your data and your visitors' information safe and protected. In addition to their core website builder, MotoCMS provides excellent customer support to assist users throughout their website creation journey. Whether you have questions about features, need help with customization, or encounter any technical issues, their support team is readily available to provide assistance. Explore the possibilities at MotoCMS.com and discover how easy it is to build a professional, stunning, and effective website. Consider MotoCMS your all-in-one solution for establishing a powerful online presence and achieving your digital goals. From design and development to ongoing management, MotoCMS provides the tools and resources you need to succeed in the digital landscape. They are constantly innovating and updating their platform to stay ahead of the curve and ensure users have access to the latest web technologies. By choosing MotoCMS, you're choosing a partner committed to your online success.